Hello guys, Kordax here, and today I traded on Asia session again. Why? Because it's fucking choppy price. I didn't want to miss out entry. I was plus $50, minus $50, plus $50, but finally market structure break happened, and yeah, today 1k profit, not 500. Yes. These two times it was like plus 500, plus 600, and then it went back up to plus 50 because I put risk to plus 50. But yeah, finally it went to plus 1k. Yeah, I went in with two contracts last time. It was first 5, 5, 5, and then I saw, hey, the price, I mean, it's confirmed, right? And it will go even down more from here. So yeah, two contracts plus 1k. As you can see, I put risk plus 500. If it was not 1k, it would have been 500. But yeah, it was 1k. So yeah, GG. What can I say? I mean, there's nothing else to say. Market structure break method. I don't wanna be like, hey, I did this, I did that. Bearish fair value gap, market structure break for short, and yeah. Simple. So yeah, tomorrow is the last day of our eval trading, I hope. And yeah, expect a special video last day. So yeah, thank you for watching and see you on final day.